Okay, so it's Jim back up with the review of our projector, and this is what the UI is going to look like. So you'll see up on top you've got a user manual, keystone correction, so you can actually put this at angles and it will still focus straight on the wall, which is cool. You feedback and your shutdown option there, and you've got your launcher option in here. There's also a launcher button on the keypad. So you can go into mouse mode. You've got Apple TV, Firefox, you've Netflix, Smart, YouTube, and Get Apps there. All that kind of stuff is in there. So it's pretty simple enough to use from that aspect. Down to the bottom, you've got your settings, file manager, cast projection, Bluetooth speaker, and of course your inputs. Now, inputs we've showed you in the unboxing. You've got HDMI and you've got USB as well, which is pretty cool. So you have no shortage there. It also takes SD card. So if you go into your settings, you've got your general network settings there, your system. So in the system it'll have device name, autoplay, audio inputs, auto inputs, language, time, and resets. That's all there is in there. Into your energy saving, you have your wallpaper, screensaver theme, screensaver timer, background and sound, and low power mode. That's all there is in that. Into security, you've got install unknown sources. That's what you'd find. You've ADB debugging, public place restrictions, save logs, AirPlay password protection, Huawei cast protection settings, and Xiaomi. About is just about the system, so you have your device name there, system information, storage space, network, software, auto update, and legal information that's in there. So down here into image, so if you go into image, then you've image and sound. So you got movie mode, eco mode in there, which is cool. So you can see the difference between the two there. Up to yourself what you want. Image parameters. So you've got standard, you've got movie, child, snowy, sport, eye care, and custom. So you go into custom, you can go into your brightness there, your contrast, saturation, clarity, tone, color, temperature. So if we go into that, for example, you can go up and down here like so, just to change that, which is pretty basic. So you can do that in there with your clarity. Again, you should see a change in there, and that's that there. Your color temperature, so you've standard, cold, warm, and custom again. Back in here again. So you've your projection method there. You have normal. You can turn it around. So you can hang, if you happen to have it upside down or whatever the case is, you can see that. Screen zoom. So you can change your screen there to different sizes, as you can see there. And you've got screen shift and your 4-point keystone correction. So that will tilt that at an angle if you get it, and it's like the cornerstone, which is pretty nice, and it keeps everything well in check. So you got your sound, you got your keytone on, player sound effect, and cinema mode sound. So in the sound you've got game, music, children mode, sports, night, and news. So that's what the sound is like that you're going to get from it. And then you have got common peripherals. So you've got your Bluetooth remote, your wireless microphone, and your wireless speakers, which you can connect to give you a surround sound if you will. Then of course you've got your Bluetooth connection, which you can connect your smartphone to. So now we're going to give you a sample of what the picture's going to look like. So just use my own channel here, so I won't get struck out or anything like that. So go on to check out one of the latest videos we've done here. Untitled was a new product in from Heyup, and it's bone conduction headphones with Bluetooth 5.0 IP8. I think it's meant to be
anti-stain waterproofing, identical charging, 8 gigs of memory and an MP3 player. So we've got quite a bit going there. I've got bone connection on plug-in futuristic Tech 1 Pro.
So we're going to change that to a different phone or a different video because the sound that I recorded it on wasn't particularly good. So I'm going to check out something else here instead.
Hello, Tech was new video, and today you've got the new Garmin Drive Smart 76 in with Alexa and live traffic. So I'm unboxed today, give you a quick look at it, and we have a full review. We've also another full review coming up for the camper van version, which is a big one, and very detailed review.
So with the volume control, you can just adjust it by there.
Traffic.
You can go back by just pressing back there. Your navigation key there is, everything works really, really cool. And that's it. So that's what the sample's going to look like. I'm not using any Netflix or any other stuff like that because it'd be stuck out, but that's my own content, so it should be fine. So that'll give you an idea to what the sound will look like and what the picture looks like. And stay tuned after the break for more. So that wraps it up for the Heyup Boxe projector. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tech in the next video on techbuzzworld.com. See you then.